Today's featured pickup truck is a 1959 Volkswagen Transporter. And I'll read from the seller's comments. And the owner's comments mention show quality restoration to original specifications, 1.2 liter engine, 4-speed manual transmission, deluxe bumpers and guards, front flash indicators, stock dove blue exterior with contrasting dark gray interior, beautiful factory steering wheel, dash, and radio, stock original wheels and hubcaps, luggage rack, original California license plates, drives like new, the best of the best. And doesn't mention the mileage, but it bid to $30,000 and did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a nice vehicle, that's for sure. Unfortunately, the buyers weren't there that day, or he just wanted too much for it. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1959 Volkswagen Transporter with a show quality restoration to original specifications. It bid to $30,000, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.